Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Techno Simplified. So in this tutorial we will learn about digest authorization. So there are the various types of authorization available in Postman. So if you will go to this authorization section, so here there is a drop down. If I'll click, so these are the different types of authorization like basic auth, GWT, digest, OAuth 1, OAuth 2, right? So today we will focus on digest authorization. So as soon as I will select digest authorization, this window will appear. So this window has two sections. One section is from here to here, and second section is the advanced configuration section, right? So here we have to provide our username, and then we have to provide our password. In the advanced section, there are the multiple fields. So this is realm, and this is nonce, and let me remove this. Okay, and this is algorithm field, and then this is, so in algorithms we have multiple options. These are the SHA 256 MD5, right? And this is QOP. So QOP means quality of protection, and this is nonce count, and this is client nonce, and then opaque, right? So these are the multiple fields available in the advanced configuration. But at this point of time, you don't need to worry about this, because Postman auto generates default values for some of these fields until a value is specified. Okay, so now I'll send this request by providing the username and password. So my username is Postman and my password is password. Now I'll send the request. Okay, so if you will see this response payload, okay, so we are getting 200, okay, which means request is successful, server has responded as required, right? Here also if you will see, what is this? This is authenticated true, right? And if I'll in preview also, authentication is true. Okay, so in this way we can do the digest authorization. So for advanced field, when I have given my ID and password, so this Postman will by default provide these values, right? So that is the one thing. So what will happen if I'll not provide the username and password and I'll hit the request, right? So what will happen? It will throw 401 error code. In case of success, it will throw 200, but if I'll not provide this username and password, it will throw 401, right? Which means unauthorized. So let's see. See, here it is showing 401 unauthorized, right? So this is a digest authorization, right? So we have to provide the username and password field. All right. So so there is one more thing that we should know. Here there is the option checkbox. Yes, disable retrying the request, right? So what will happen if I'll click right here? So in that case, we have to provide these. We have to enter some of these fields manually, right? So now what I'll do, I have checked on this box. Now I will give my username and password. Okay, so now see what will happen. See, it is throwing 401 unauthorized, right? Why it is showing? Because we have clicked on this checkbox. So once you click on this checkbox, you will have to provide the sum of the values in this field, right? So now what I'll do, I'll go to the header section, and in the header section, if you will check this key, right, www-authenticate. So from this value we will extract the information. Okay, so I'll copy this. No, so see here what is mentioned, digest, right? So which means the authorization type is digest, and then realm is users, right? And then this has the nouns value, right? So realm is this field and nouns is this field, right? And what is provided, QOP, right? So this is the QOP field, right? So which means quality of protection. This is the field, right? So for now we have to provide only two field if we have selected, along with the user ID and password. So now what I'll do, I'll copy this and this is the value of nouns, right? So I'll go to the nouns and I'll paste it over here. And realm has the value as users, right? So what I'll do, I'll type users here, right? Now if I will send the request, it will throw me 200 OK status code. Let's see, right? See, now you are able to see 200 OK, right? So whenever you are using this option, whenever you are clicking on this checkbox, make sure that you provide these values, right? Realm and nouns value, right? So if you will provide this value, only then your request will be sent and you will able to see the response code 200 OK. Okay, so this was all about the digest authorization. And if you like my videos, please give us a thumbs up and please share with your